Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we had FOMC tonight, which did cause the euro dollar to go down. Very predictable. I was talking about how this is very likely a five-way pattern down. This is very likely a three-way pattern up. This is very likely a five-way pattern down. I have my Fibonacci extension on the wave 1 projected off the wave 4 because the 100% is a key level if it really is a wave 5 of wave C. And the 61% of the move up is also a pretty key area. So if we do see an engulfing move to the upside, we definitely want to get long, especially because the trend is up on all these higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.